Are you an executive, a professional who's seeking to elevate your own performance, or maybe find more purpose in your work and unlock your true potential? Then join us for an immersive workshop. Conquer the 9 pillars of personal mastery, transform into your potential. This workshop combines Eastern wisdom, martial arts principles even, and cutting edge personal mastery techniques that you can apply to your professional career. In this experience, you will cultivate personal mastery through developing more self-awareness, gaining those insights into your strengths, the values that you have, and your passions. You will also become unstoppable. So overcoming that self-doubt, begin to understand what imposter syndrome is and overcoming it, and those limiting beliefs that hold you back. Find that sense of purpose that you have. Exploring the intersection of skills, interests, values. Embracing some of those nuggets of Eastern wisdom that I've been studying. Learning mindfulness techniques and discipline, the warrior mindset to enhance your focus, your resilience and productivity. And also an opportunity to connect with like-minded professionals, network, to collaborate with them so that you can help each other out in terms of your ongoing growth. Don't miss this opportunity to embark on a transformative journey towards more personal mastery, professional fulfillment, and extraordinary success. The space is limited, so secure your spot today. This workshop takes place in London on the 16th of September. Click on the link below so that you can register your spot today.